Pixel 9 launched with a display trick not everyone knows. Got yourself a brand new Pixel 9 gleaming with finely polished hues? Then it's an obligation on you to make the most of a heftily priced Pixel 9 model. Set your worries aside if you're perplexed with what remarkable display features the Pixel 9 series offers, as screen protector mode has finally made its way into Google's latest Pixel lineup, but with a touch of richer properties. Rumors back in February generated significant buzz around the speculated screen protector mode supercharged version known as Adaptive Touch, suggesting that it'll debut with the Pixel 9 phone. Fully functional on the latest Pixel series, the Adaptive Touch feature is available under the display settings of the handset, welcoming the users with a unique toggle popping up. Android Police reported that all of the Pixel 9 variants offer the new Adaptive Touch option under Settings, Display, and Touch Sensitivity. When activated, the feature automatically adjusts the touch sensitivity of the Pixel 9 mobile, your environment, activities, and screen protector. The point to be noted is that screen protector mode, the older version of the Adaptive Touch feature, is still available, which is still an aspect of attraction for those feeling a dislike for the newer version who only want screen protector detection.